Time to go. Adrenaline is pumping through my veins. I can't wait. Let's try 90 degrees. I think it's right next to the current one. Come on, 25 feels right. I'm feeling 144. There is a strange, almost supernatural pull to it. We never saw 90 degrees before. Let me try 120. I have 3 lockpicks left, and you just know that my anxiety is sky high. Oh, it's just adept. I've only got 2 lockpicks left, oh god. Please. I have just 1 more. Yes. I did it, 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 I did it. Exploring around the estate, I'm looking for that pesky safe. Oh, I've just realized, I never actually needed to pick that lock. I had the key the entire time. Let's pretend that never happened. I was under pressure, okay? Thank you all for understanding heart. Now where were we? Back to following the quest. Time to clear out Aringatha's safe.
Is someone there?
Let's go. I got some new weapons and some killer spells. What could possibly go wrong?